Recently, Winnows has launched the much anticipated offline screen binding function. Let's take a look. In the case of offline, the Winnows supports saving the information of the screen through offline files, can completely back up the programs and files, restore the module models used on site, and the network cable connection of screen. Even if the real-time status cannot be obtained, it can also support the visual topology map and workbench, and record the operation and maintenance information, making after-sales service more convenient. So, how to add an offline screen to the Winnows Care? Very simple. Firstly, run the NovaLCT, then log in, choose the screen configuration, export screen monitoring data. It can be named screen. It will be saved on the desktop by default. You can also customize the storage path. After successful saving, an oscfg file will be generated. Enter the Winnows Care, select Screen Management, add a screen, then upload the oscfg file saved before. The screen is added successfully. In the list, you can see the screen that has been added successfully. It has the same name when you save it by NovaLCT. Its status is offline. Click to view the details of the display screen. The topological diagram of the display screen, the on-site module model, and the wiring of network cable are all clearly presented. In addition, you can also add spare parts, replacement information, and warranty information to facilitate after-sales service. If the display fails during subsequent use, you can re-export the entire screen monitoring data from NovaLCT, and then add the display to the Winnows Care again to get the latest display status. As for the previous spare parts, replacement parts, and warranty information, there is no need to re-add it. The above are the application scenarios and adding steps of the offline screen binding with Winnows Care. Have you got it all? Come and experience it.